So what you can also do is have multi-message prompts and then give prompts in as multiple messages, that is, to get something out of it. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in, let's say, for example, I'm going to send a story outline in the next message, and I'm going to say, write it as a film script format right here, just like this. So I just mentioned I'm going to send a story outline in the next message. So I just said that, and I hit send. So then what happens is that it says, sure, I'd be happy to help with that. Just send over the story outline whenever you're ready, and I'll turn it into a film script format for you. So I'm going to go around and say that there is a guy named Bernard, and he lives in Yangon, Myanmar. Once he wanted to have an ice cream as it was too hot. So he goes outside and finds no ice cream shop. Then finally he he finds an ice cream shop and eats the ice cream and gets happy right here. Okay, pretty forward right here. So I'm not going to worry about the spelling errors because ChatGPT will correct them. So I'm going to press enter, and what happens is that now you can see that it actually converted into a script format. So here you can see that it says title, ice cream in Yangon, and it says genre is comedy, and there's the fade in. Exterior, Yangon, Myanmar, day. So the scorching sun beats down on the bustling streets of Yangon, and people rush by seeking refuge from the sweltering heat. And it says interior, Bernard's apartment day. Bernard, a young man in his mid-20s, wipes sweat from his brows as he stares longingly out the window. Bernard to himself, it's way too hot today. I could really go for some ice cream. Determined, Bernard grabs his keys and head out the doors. And exterior Yangon streets on day. Bernard navigates through the crowded streets, his eyes scanning for any signs of ice cream shop, and Bernard mumbling, where are all the ice cream shops when you need one? After what seems like an eternity, Bernard spots a small sign with the word ice cream written in bold letters. Excitedly, finally, Bernard enters the quaint little shop, greeted by the refreshing blast of cold air. And to the shopkeeper, 1 scoop of vanilla, please. The shopkeeper nods and scoops a generous portion of ice cream into a cone. And that hits the spot. Bernard's face lights up with joy, and he savors the cool sweetness of the ice cream. And Bernard said sometimes it's the simple things that make all the difference. And Bernard enjoys every last bite of his ice cream, feeling refreshed and happy. And then you have fade out. So that is how you can go around and have multi-message prompts, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to go around and say now let's say, for example, write outlines for the script's storyboard. So you can go around and have multi-message prompts like this right here, and now you can see that this is what you have. This is the outline for this particular script right here now. So opening shot, in Bernard's desire, venturing out, sets for ice cream, discovery, and so forth, and you get what you actually want to achieve right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with multi-message prompts inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.